Good evening, Group 4. I'm here to give a couple of my takeaways. I actually have a lot of takeaways that I have found from actually looking at each of your videos or PowerPoint presentations, and I've actually enjoyed listening to each of them. Lauren, specifically with yours, with your scheduling and professional development, I actually like how you stated that all school administrators have to come up with a common planning period and how they actually create the master schedule. I love the way that you included the research on peer observation as well. Albert, your case study on transportation and safety of schools, one of my takeaways from that is how you guys actually have an action plan for after school as well for students. This is something that I find unique, and I would actually love to see how that worked. Also, Kimberly, how you utilize the PBIS approach school wide, and you stated that everyone is trained, including the bus drivers, administrators, should also be able to track the data. We actually use PBIS school wide at the school that I'm to, and I found that to be very interesting as well, that you actually made that point, because it does help when you have the cafeteria staff and you have the bus drivers and the custodians and substitute teachers, mentors, and everybody on the same page. So that gives them a better understanding of how the school actually works when it comes to PBIS. And this would probably have helped resolve some of the issues that they were having with this particular students. Stacy, some of the takeaways that I have from you is that staff members could possibly, that the staff member was possibly using illegal drugs, and you pointed out that everyone had to have a code of ethics, or basically understand the code of ethics and have a motivation to change, and that they should be held accountable for their actions. Now that part was really important, because accountability in a school setting is one of the major things that we must look into or take into focus. All of the case studies that I've seen so far or that I've looked at have been really good, and I've actually enjoyed working with each of you this semester in this course. Thank you. Have a great night.